Israel Aerospace Industries (IAI) has announced a new tactical weapon named Mini Harpy. Mini Harpy is the latest in the line of loitering munition, along with the Harop and Harpy. It can lock on radiation-emitting threats like radar and home in on them with human-aided electro-optical guidance. Mini Harpy has a weight of 45 kilograms and has the capability to loiter in the sky. It has a shaped charge warhead weighing approximately 8 kilograms. Mini Harpy is designed to be launched from land, sea, and air platforms and has a range of 100 kilometers and an endurance of 120 minutes. General Manager and Executive Vice President of IAI Systems, Boaz Levy, stated that fast-moving targets that blink for a few seconds at a time. He added, "Rather than relying on a precise reference point, the system we developed loiters in the air waiting for the target to appear, and then attacks and destroys the hostile threat within seconds." The Mini Harpy is unique in its beam detection and optical capabilities, a combination of two of our loitering missile systems that sold thousands of units in Israel and abroad. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Israel's Mini Harpy, touted to be S300 and S400 killer, may not be able to defeat them. Let's get started. The relation between Russia and Israel has been tense because of the differences in stance in Syria. Things got further escalated after Russia decided to provide S300 to the Syrian government. It is to be noted that Russia has deployed S400 to guard its own assets in Syria. Israel Air Force has been considerably successful against Syrian short-range air defense systems, which includes Russian-made Pantsir S-1 air defense system. May 10th last year, Israeli fighter jets had taken out Pantsir S-1 for the first time. On the 21st of January, the Israeli military stated that it had hit Iranian and Syrian targets around Damascus, including the Russian-made Pantsir S-1, but till now Israel has not tried to hit S-300 or S-400. Let's see why Mini Harpy may not be a threat for S-300 and S-400. Here are top 5 reasons. S-300 and S-400 are long-range systems. The surveillance radar of S-300 tracks objects over a range of 300 kilometers. S-400 is equipped with radar that has a range of 600 kilometers. It must be noted that both of these systems have additional target acquisition radars, 67 N6 Gamma D and 9 N6 Protivnik G radars in L-band, Nebo SVU in the very high frequency band, and Nebo M and Zebu M in multiband to aid the main radar. This means both S-300 and S-400 will be able to detect the Mini Harpy as soon as it takes to the sky. Importantly, even the launch platform of Mini Harpy will be detected, as it will have to get within 100 kilometers before launching the Mini Harpy. So it's highly likely that Mini Harpy will not have any surprise element against S-300 or S-400. S-300 and S-400 deploy multiple missiles to cover their engagement envelope. Here are the missiles. 1. Short-range 9M96E, 40 kilometers, with an active radar homing head, having the capability to intercept targets having a speed up to Mach 2.6. 2. Medium-range 9M96E2, 120 kilometers, with an active radar homing head, having the capability to intercept targets having a speed up to Mach 3. 3. Long-range 48N6, 250 kilometers, with an active radar homing head, having the capability to intercept targets having a speed up to Mach 14. 4. Very long-range 40N6, 400 kilometers, with an active radar homing head, having the capability to intercept targets having a speed up to Mach 14. This is available only with S400. The massive range means that S300 and S400 can not only target the Mini Harpy but also its launch platform from long ranges. The range also means that both S300 and S400 will be able to target the Mini Harpy from the initial flight phase to the terminal stage, giving them multiple shots at it. This makes the scenario tilted heavily against Mini Harpy. S300 and S400 are designed to take on saturation attacks. They do it by having immense firepower at their disposal. Each S300 and S400 battery consists of a number of transporter erector launchers, TELs, and each TEL has 4 launch tubes. In a standard configuration, a single battery has 4 TELs, but there could be up to 16 TELs per battery. So, depending on the number of TELs commanded by the S300 or S400, they can simultaneously launch up to 16 times 4. That's 64 missiles. This means that saturating S300 and S400 battery is very difficult. One of the most effective ways to suppress an air defense system is through electronic warfare, EW. But S300 and S400 has many features specifically designed to overcome these countermeasures. For example, the powerful radar is resistant to jamming due to its ability to change the frequency of its signals very rapidly. S300 and S400 also can be equipped with Topaz Kolchuga M, KRTP-91 Tamara, and 85 V6 Orion Vega emitter locating systems. These components are designed to engage emitting targets without emitting from the acquisition radars, or if the acquisition radars have been jammed. So it will not be easy to disable S300 and S400 with EW. Both S300 and S400 are protected by Pantsir S1. This makes it very difficult for any missile to go through, as the incoming missiles will have to deal with 2 independent systems. Israel will have to risk a huge amount of resources, like a large number of fighter jets and Mini Harpies, to attempt to strike. This will be disproportionately costly and hence may not be a practical solution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.